guys, welcome to Sunnyside Farms. Today I'm going to be trying some quail eggs, and this is what they look like. They're small, tiny little eggs.
They are so adorable.
I know. And you don't actually crack them like a real egg. You actually have to cut through it with a knife. So
all right, and here they are. With your hands. So you have two of the cutest little fried eggs you've ever seen. Okay, you gonna cut yours in half?
Yep. So do I just like cut into it?
You got it. All right, one I cooked a little bit more. That one's kind of more done.
Yeah, so let's try this one first.
I'll try that one too. And if we like them, then we're just gonna get a ton of quails.
This is so good.
Oh my gosh, really?
This is amazing.
Tastes like the best egg I've ever had. Cut that one open.
Okay.
Let's see if we got any, if it's sunny side up.
What this is.
So I brought some bread so we can soak up the yolk. Too overdone? It's okay.
Just a little bit.
This is our first time cooking them, so it's kind of tricky. Well, you like yours more
I like
well
the
done.
Overdone. Definitely.
Well,
That was good.
that was fun and amazing. So this is what we got. So I'm guessing that we're gonna have to
Get some
quails now, because this was
this
was like $5.
Yeah.
So we might as well just get some.
Because normal
quails.
eggs are usually just $1. So.
Yeah. All right, that's that.
Quails.
Ta-ta for now.